3 years since 2022. This is my first developer na pinasokan dito sa Iloilo, and I'm under Miss MJ Insud Realty with Legatum Realty. Memorable sale experience, ang dami. Income sa sales, sa tripping, and facing different people, clients. Pero yung memorable experience, siguro yung to receive an award dito sa Santa Lucia. I'm very, very thankful to Santa Lucia kasi ito yung way na, alam mo yan, nakakatulong na ako sa parents ko, sa family ko, sa mga friends ko na kailangan ng tulong ko. And I would like to say, Santa Lucia for the trust and for appreciating me and also for believing my work. To everyone, agents, brokers na gusto rin pumasok dito sa Santa Lucia Marketing, don't be hesitate because Santa Lucia is always open naman eh. And Santa Lucia can give good incentives, commissions, and especially travel experience. I'm Rhea Aliona, a registered sales manager, and I'm proud to be accredited sales partner of Santa Lucia Marketing Iloilo. Join us and be the next champion sales partner.